None of us wants to experience poverty or suffer from it, and we exert great effort to earn a living and accumulate wealth. The best thing a person can do while striving and taking the necessary actions is to turn to Allah in supplication, seeking richness and contentment from Him. Therefore, many people search for a dua that prevents poverty and attracts wealth. Today, we will provide you with a dua that wards off poverty and brings wealth to you, so recite it daily with certainty. Here the hadith narrated by Hussein ibn Abd al-Rahman al-Sulami offers a poignant illustration of the Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, compassion and the divine providence that unfolded in response to a Bedouin's plea for assistance. In a moment of destitution, a Bedouin approached the Prophet, expressing his hunger and seeking relief. This incident, recounted through the eyes of Hussein ibn Abd al-Rahman al-Sulami, serves as a testament to the Prophet's benevolence and the divine intervention that characterized his life. As the narrative unfolds, we learn that the Prophet Muhammad, in response to the Bedouin's plight, embarked on a mission to find sustenance for the hungry supplicant. The Prophet, known for his humility and concern for the welfare of his community, sought help within the confines of the homes belonging to the family of Muhammad. However, at that particular moment, the Prophet did not find anything to offer the hungry Bedouin. In the midst of this apparent scarcity, a significant turn of events occurred as sheep arrived, heralding a fortuitous moment. Shortly thereafter, a bowl of tharid, a dish composed of pieces of bread soaked in broth, was prepared. This unexpected turn of events served as a reminder of Allah's providence and the way in which He answers the needs of His creatures, even in seemingly challenging circumstances. The Bedouin, now presented with the nourishing tharid, was invited by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, to partake in the meal. This act of generosity not only addressed the immediate physical need of the Bedouin, but also exemplified the Prophet's commitment to fostering a compassionate and caring community. Upon completing his meal, the Bedouin, moved by the kindness and generosity shown to him, expressed his gratitude to the Prophet. In his acknowledgement, the Bedouin recognized that Allah had provided for him through the compassionate hands of the Prophet Muhammad. Gratitude, a central theme in Islamic teachings, found expression in the words of the Bedouin as he conveyed appreciation for the divine intervention that took place through the Prophet's actions. However, the narrative does not conclude with a simple expression of gratitude. The Bedouin, pondering the transient nature of life's circumstances, posed a reflective question to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He inquired about the contingency plan for a situation where he might find himself in need while not in the presence of the Prophet. In response, the Prophet Muhammad imparted valuable guidance to the Bedouin. He taught him a supplication to be recited in times of need. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlika wa rahmatik, fa innahu la yamlikuhu illa ant. O Allah, I ask you for your bounty and mercy, as there is none that possesses them but you. Indeed, Allah is the provider. This supplication encapsulates a profound acknowledgement of Allah's sovereignty and the ultimate source of all sustenance and mercy. The supplication, as taught by the Prophet, encapsulates the essence of Islamic theology regarding reliance on Allah. It underscores the belief that every aspect of life, including the provision of sustenance, is under the control of the divine. By seeking Allah's bounty and mercy, individuals express their dependence on the Creator and recognize Him as the ultimate source of all blessings. This hadith therefore serves as a multifaceted lesson in Islamic ethics, compassion, gratitude, and reliance on Allah. The Prophet's actions exemplify the importance of addressing the immediate needs of the community, and the subsequent supplication provides a timeless formula for seeking Allah's assistance in times of adversity. In a broader context, this hadith resonates with the overarching theme of charity and kindness in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad's life was characterized by a continuous commitment to the welfare of the community, and this incident serves as a microcosm of his broader mission to establish a society built on compassion and justice. The divine intervention in the form of sheep arriving and the preparation of tarid reinforces the Islamic concept of tawakkul, or reliance on Allah. It signifies that even in moments of apparent scarcity, Allah's providence is not limited by conventional expectations. The unfolding events remind believers that trust in Allah's wisdom and providence should be unwavering. As the Bedouin leaves with a filled stomach and a heart brimming with gratitude, the hadith echoes through the annals of Islamic teachings, serving as a beacon for believers on the path of compassion, generosity, and reliance on the divine. The timeless lessons derived from this narration continue to inspire Muslims to emulate the Prophet's example in their daily lives, fostering a sense of community, empathy, and gratitude. Allahumma inni as'aluka min fadlika wa rahmatik, fa innahu la yamlikuhuma illa ant. اللهم إني أسألك من فضلك ورحمتك، فإنه لا يملكهما إلا أنت. اللهم إني أسألك من فضلك ورحمتك، فإنه لا يملكهما إلا أنت. اللهم إني أسألك من فضلك ورحمتك، فإنه لا يملكهما إلا أنت. اللهم إني أسألك من فضلك ورحمتك، فإنه لا يملكهما إلا أنت. اللهم إني أسألك من فضلك ورحمتك، فإنه لا يملكهما إلا أنت. اللهم إني أسألك من فضلك ورحمتك، فإنه لا يملكهما إلا أنت.